Hey, Art is here with eXp Realty, your local realtor in Corona, California. Today I'm going to take you for a new tour of this beautiful remodeled home in Temescal Valley, Corona, California, and walk you through every nook and cranny of this house and give you my honest opinion. Today I have this beautiful house which has been listed by Open Door for the price of $510,000. This house is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it has 2,343 square feet. Let me be your agent and welcome you to this house. If you would like to buy a house in Corona, California, I can help you to find and negotiate the best deals for you and for your family. Below you can find my contact details. Feel free to reach out to me anytime and I look forward to hearing from you. But without further ado, why don't you come with me to see the house inside. We have a lot of ambient lights in the house, 2 floors, beautiful glass door. As I said, it has been remodeled by Open Door. They bought it a couple of months ago and then they remodeled the house and is ready for you to see and to make an offer for the house. Let's go to the dining room. You can have your dining table here. Kitchen is beautiful too. Granite countertops. We have a stainless steel appliances. Gives you the access to the yard. It's not a very big one, but still you have a yard. The fireplace is nice too. On the ground floor also we have the guest bath. There is also an office on the ground floor. You can use it as a bedroom or an extra bedroom, or you can use it as your office. I like the tile on the floor, and then a walk-in closet too. That's the bathroom on the first floor. Let me take you to the second floor. Nice and wide stairs. Gives you access to the 4 bedrooms which we have them on the second floor. Beautifully laminated. The master bedroom has carpet and it also has access to the deck. I especially love the master bed. You also have the view of the mountain from your deck. Nice palm trees, which makes a nice view of the neighborhood too. Take you to the master bathroom. It's so lovely with the tiles. That makes a nice contrast. And the granite countertop on it too. The shower separate, the bath is separate too. Lots of space for storage. in the bath too. Let's go to the other bedroom. The second bedroom is laminated. Nice closet. It's very standard. There's a third bathroom, which we have them on the second floor for you. It's a full bath. The third bedroom is also carpeted, has the view of the neighborhood. Walking ready if you would like to purchase this house. Let's go to the last bedroom. That's your last bedroom on the second floor. Again with the view of the neighborhood. Lots of lights, natural lights in the bedrooms too. On the first floor, we have the bath, we have the office, kitchen is located here, and you can have also access to the garage. It's a 3-car garage. Washer and dryer hookups are here too. I hope you like it. If you would like to contact me, you can do that one through the phone numbers, which I have them under the video. And thank you so much for watching the video with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.